It's that time of year again. The cats are yowling, hormones are flaring, and we're becoming very aware of the cats around us that are not spayed and neutered.
This year so far, we've had 2 pregnant cats that have come into our orbit. A skinny orange mama that was in the road begging at Sasego, and a tortie that showed up on our porch finding comfort in our little cat house.
Plus, the situation is already evolving. Tortie mama has already given birth and needed emergency vet care. Orangey mama got caught up in the business that surrounds abandoned animals getting proper care. Now, we also have to consider this is the beginning of the season. This is pretty early. I think we're gonna have to buckle up.
The pregnant cats are concerning because there are already so many cats that need adopting on the island. And the organizations which promote their adoptions just can't take in new cats. For instance, we have 3 kittens being fostered from last year. They are wonderful and could really use a forever home. But as people are not adopting on island or off, there just isn't enough room in the system for more. And the main kennel on the island is always full, and there isn't an end in sight.
Thankfully, there are volunteers and groups doing their best to help these animals because they are suffering from this overpopulation problem. We personally can't keep taking in more cats to foster when there's not enough people adopting them. The system is not moving, and we know there's going to be more kittens. I mean, Tortie mama left one on our patio a few days ago.
So, what can be done to help? Keep your cats indoors. Spay and neuter. And if you see a stray without an ear tag, facilitate their trap and neuter. Vets are willing to help because this impacts the welfare of all the animals on the island. Where do things stand today? Tortie mama is still on our patio. We've named her Kit Kat. Orangey mama is now being fostered by us. We've named her Maggie. And the baby is being taken care of by a mama cat. And the family of the mama cat is adopting the baby.
Next time, let's go visit those furry residents at some of the local miraderos, Sasego and Madrugada. But in the meantime, why don't you keep an eye on those critters near you while we explore the Azores.